Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. Today I am planning on doing calligraphy of an amazing ayah of Quran, which is Al-Najm idha hawa, the first ayah of Surah Najm, and it means by the star as it falls. So I am first gonna tape down my paper because it helps me create a very nice and clean border. Since the ayah is themed around the stars, so I'm planning on making it a galaxy theme background and writing on top of it with the help of white paint, so that it creates a very beautiful starry night kind of theme. As you know that my style of creating art is very haphazard. I plan something, I have an idea in my mind, and I just go with it. I just go right into it so that I create while I imagine, but it also creates some difficulty because the things might the camera just shook a little bit, because the things might not go the direction in which I intend them to be, and you know me. So just let's jump right into it. I have my brush ready, I have my water ready, and I have my paint ready. My first plan is to paint a thin layer of this beautiful blue poster color, and then we will go from there. The blue has some contaminations because I like to paint my brush right into the paint. That's why it is not the purest blue, but it is some copper sort of tone, but I like it. And we have to make it darker later on, so I think this might not hurt us. Instead of going on wet technique, which basically means that you wet your paper first with the water and then you apply paint so that it creates a very natural, very subtle blue tone all over your paper, I am going on the wet on dry technique, which might not be a great idea, but I'm opting for that technique because I know that my paper is not very thick. Dampening it might be harmful in the end, so I thought that I will go with it. Let's see where we'll go. You know that galaxies don't have a very light shade of blue, they have very dark deep, and I will be darkening it with the dark blue. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel for more videos and crafts.